Hey everyone! If you're a freelancer looking to make an extra $2,000 from home, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down a step-by-step guide to help you achieve that goal. First up, niche down. Focus on a specific skill you're good at, whether it's graphic design, writing, or coding. Find your sweet spot. Trust me, clients pay more for specialized skills. Next, set up a professional online presence. Create a portfolio showcasing your best work. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Upwork, or Fiverr to get noticed. Remember, your profile picture and bio are your first impression. Make them count. Third, network like a pro. Reach out to potential clients and connect with fellow freelancers. Join relevant online communities and forums. Don't be shy. Your next big gig might come from a casual conversation. Now let's talk pricing. Start with competitive rates, but don't undervalue yourself. As you gain more clients and experience, gradually increase your rate. It's all about demonstrating the value you bring to the table. Lastly, keep learning. Invest in courses, attend webinars, and stay updated with industry trends. The more you know, the more you can offer your clients. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to making $2,000 from home. Follow these steps, put in the effort, and watch your freelance career soar. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.